All right, how's it going? So look, today we're gonna make chicken fried rice. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here we've got rice. Cold cooked rice, basmati rice. There's 3 cups there. Now I always use cold cooked rice. Hot and warm rice doesn't work out so well, I find. That was cooked yesterday, been in the refrigerator overnight. 1 chicken breast, or about 2 cups of chicken, no skin, no bone. Cut that into little cubes. You can put it into strips if you want. A cup of frozen green peas, 1 cup of onion, a heaped teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic. If you want, you can add some ginger to this. And there's about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using a light soy. There's a couple of other bits to go in this. Let's get moving. So you're gonna need a wok type thing that I have, or a large skillet or something. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using corn oil. You could use a different oil if you want. The heat has just been put on and the heat is on high. We're gonna start off with 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon, actually just a little bit over, of garlic. And like I say, if you want, you could be adding ginger. The chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Cut that into little pieces, as you can see, bite-sized pieces. So high heat, 4 minutes, keep it moving. Just 4 minutes there, looking beautiful. Next up, we're gonna add black pepper. Nice big pinch of that I like in there. I'm not adding any salt because of the soy, and that goes in now, like 3 tablespoons of a light soy. That's salty enough for me. If you want, get some salt in there, that's up to you. Now we're gonna go for about another 4 minutes or so. Again, stirring all the time. We kind of want to burn off the soy in there. So keep it moving. So you can see that that has reduced down. Beautiful stuff. Let's get those peas in there now. Like I say, these were a frozen pea. If you want, get some bell peppers in there for a bit of color. Maybe a bit of fresh chili, that's up to you. Now let's go with our rice. 3 cups of cooked basmati rice. You can see that because it's cold. Can you see how beautifully fluffy and light that is? It's not sticking together in any way. We're gonna go for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring fairly often. If I get a little blackening or a little bit of browning on that rice, I'm super happy. So I'm hoping that you can hear that. That's your rice frying. You need it to fry. Now don't forget, your local Chinese takeout, their cookers are like jet engines. They're not like, I mean, this is quite powerful. This is probably more powerful than most of you at home, but their ones are absolutely bonkers. And they have them on high heat. That's fabulous. Listen, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some egg. Now if you want, you can get this to one side and cook your egg there, then mix it in. I'm gonna do it separately. So I've got a much smaller pan here. The heat's on fairly high again. I've got like a tablespoon or so of oil in there, just a touch of oil. I've got 3 eggs there beaten. Simply, we're gonna cook them. Just keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Okay, beautiful. So that's gonna go into the pan. We're gonna give that a mix. Okay, so I've just got that back on with the heat on as well. There's our egg, in it goes. To that, we're gonna add some green onions, like 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup of green onions there. We're gonna just give that a little mix with the heat on. 1 minute, 2 minutes max, job done. That's a beauty. Okay, and there you go, job done. Nice and easy. Stick that on the table, tuck in. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you really soon. I hope. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.